One backyard explorer wanted to know, how does radar work, and does my weather journal still help?
So that's a really good question. There's actually a lot that goes into making a weather radar work. And radars actually work similar to how a bat finds its food. So a bat basically sends out noise in front of it. And that noise, in the form of sound waves, goes out in front of the bat, and it'll hit something like a bug. And then those sound waves will bounce back from the bug to the bat. And the bat is always listening for those sound waves. And that's how the bat knows where its potential meal is. It knows how long it takes for the sound waves to go from the bat out to the bug and then back to the bat again. So that's how it knows where the food is at. And radar actually works pretty similarly. But instead of using sound waves, we actually use waves of energy called microwaves. And so the radar will send out those waves of energy into the atmosphere, and those energy waves will hit something like a raindrop or a hailstone. And then the energy will bounce back to the radar. And basically we know how big and how far away that raindrop or hailstone is based on how long that energy takes to bounce back to the radar and how much of that energy comes back to the radar. Now radar is actually an acronym. It's always capitalized if you look at it. So radar actually stands for radio, detection, and ranging. Now something else interesting is that you don't need one of these fancy weather radars behind me in order to observe the weather. You can go outside and just write down what it feels like. Is it warm or is it cool? Is it windy outside? How much rain has fallen? And you can take all of that and share that information with meteorologists as well. Because even though this radar is really powerful, it actually can't see what's going on down at the surface. It's actually looking up maybe about 1,000 feet above the ground. So meteorologists don't know what's happening at the ground unless someone tells us. And that's where you can help out. Every observation matters.